Hi, it's Ty with WTI, and there are many six-packs people might be excited about. And I am very excited about this six-pack of YFXR lights, Edison bulbs, but Edison lights that come in a six-pack, and as you can see, they are still LED lights. So the deal for me is that I like to make the Sputnik lamp I have a little bit more space traveling like, and that's why I like to mix and match the lights. And I have some traditional ones, and then I want to have also some of these long ones. And I think they give very cool light itself. So you can tell the difference yourself when I turn the light on. So it's kind of cool to have that two different worlds colliding feeling there. Let's look a little bit closer. So I like that I have the warm light that are more like the white light, and then I have the warm light that is more the yellow light, and that gives super cool look for my light. Even though here on camera it might all look the same, but with bare eye you can tell that the other ones look more white and these long ones look more orangey. So there's totally this cool vibe about that. So if you're looking to mismatch your lamps or just like one good united look no further. This might be your solution too. And that, of course, is just my point of view.